In this video, I will show you the best label printers for whatnot sellers. Whether you are on a tight budget or ready to invest a few $100s, you will find the right option in this list. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. All the printers in this video are thermal label printers, which means no ink required, perfect for 6x4 shipping labels, fully compatible with whatnot seller hub, and they save you money by using cheap third-party labels. Let's jump into the top 5. The Zebra ZD220 is priced between $180 and $220. This printer is durable, reliable, and fast, printing up to 6 inches per second. It's built to last and works great for sellers with frequent shipments. The downside is it's a bit bulky, which may not be ideal if you have a small workspace. And number 4 is Jaren's Bluetooth thermal printer, priced around $50 to $80. This is one of the most budget-friendly option. It's lightweight, portable, and lets you print directly from the Whatnot app on your phone. Perfect for new sellers, casual sellers, or pop-up events. The trade-off is speed. It's slower for bulk printing, so it's best if you don't ship many orders per day. Number 3 is DYMO Label Writer for Excel. This printer costs around $200 to $250. It's extremely easy to set up, prints up to 53 labels per minute, and integrates directly with USPS. It's a solid choice for sellers who cross-list on platforms like Etsy. However, it's expensive, and for many whatnot sellers, it may be more power than you actually need. And number 2 is MUNBYN thermal printer. So it is priced between $100 and $130. So it's fast, compact, and affordable with both USB and Bluetooth support. This makes it ideal for beginners shipping around 20 to 50 labels per day. The only downside is that it requires a dongle for Wi-Fi, which can be inconvenient for some setups. So number 1 is Rollo Wireless Thermal Printer, coming in at $150 to $200. This is the best overall label printer for whatnot sellers. It prints one label per second, support Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and works seamlessly with whatnot, eBay, and Shopify. So it's perfect for high volume sellers who need speed, reliability, and wireless flexibility. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but if you're serious about scaling your whatnot business, this is the top choice. And that's it. Now you know exactly which label printer fits your budget, setup, and order volume. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.